So, did you know Google actually made a free tool that lets you create AI videos? It's called Google AI Studio, and honestly, it's like this super handy multi-tool for making all kinds of media. You can whip up images, tweak them, and even generate videos from text or pictures. Pretty neat, right? Let me walk you through how it works. First off, head over to aistudio.google.com and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have an account, make one. It's free. Once you're in, look for the Generate Media tab on the left side menu. That's your playground for exploring different AI models to create images, videos, audio, and more. I wanted to test out the image generation first. You can choose between the Gemini model or the Imagen model. I picked Gemini for this. Takes you to a page where you just type in what you want to see. Say, I want a realistic photo of my channel avatar. I type in my description, hit the Run button on the right, and the AI gets to work. Check it out, there's my avatar looking super lifelike. Want to change something? No problem. I added a new prompt like, add a banner behind him saying, subscribe. Hit Run again, and bam, it updates the image in seconds. It looks great, and using text to make or edit images is really straightforward. Double-click the image to make it big, and then you can just download it with the icon there to use in your videos. Okay, now for the part you probably care about most, making videos. But real quick, heads up, because it's free, the servers can get pretty busy sometimes, and it might not generate your video right away. Don't worry if that happens. Just try again later or use the Google AI Studio API app instead. Back to generating videos from the Generate Media tab. Right now, we use only available the Veo 2 model. You get a spot to type your video idea. Over on the right, you can adjust settings like how many results you want, landscape or vertical format, and how long the clip should be. Let's make a video. I typed in generate a photorealistic video of a cute kitten waving and smiling. If it's your first time making a video here, you'll need to let AI Studio access your Google Drive. Just click Allow Access when it asks. Once you've got your prompt ready, hit the Run button. The AI figures out your prompt and starts building your video. Mine came out looking amazing. Need to tweak it? Just add another text prompt. Then you can download your shiny new AI video. One more cool thing before I go. Besides making videos from text, you can also make them from an image. Just click the button to add an image to your prompt, or if you're using the API app, choose the file option. Give it a related prompt and generate the video. Hope this guide was useful for you. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like, and if you're new here, maybe hit subscribe too. Feel free to drop a comment saying liked, so I know you found it helpful and I can thank you personally. Alright, take care.